I've never oil cleansed regularly. I'm gonna challenge myself to try to do it at least for a week and see how my skin reacts, see if any texture improves or maybe if it worsens. I don't know. The oil cleanser I'm using is avocado oil. You're not using any foam, any other makeup remover, nothing except the oil. That's it. We'll just go from there. My makeup is freshly off. It is Wednesday, September 19th. Put a few more drops of that oil on my face as skincare, and then I'm gonna go to bed right away. I will keep updating you every single day on how my skin is turning out. This is the before. I just have a lot of texture, some pimples. It's just not going well. Apparently when you wash your face with foam cleansers, you're stripping off a lot of good bacteria. So by using the oil cleansing method, it will actually help retain. That's why a lot of people rely on oil for just good skin in general, whether it's aging or acne or discoloration. I will see you tomorrow. Happy oil cleansing. If you can tell, I got a fake tan, aka I fake tan myself. I didn't pay for it except the fake tan. It is currently 1 a.m. September 22nd. I'm so sorry I did not film yesterday. There's something glitchy with my memory card that was happening. But anyway, I came from playing an hour and a half at this lounge, and then I DJ tomorrow again. I open up for a hair wig shop. So basically I want to see how my acne will behave if I just do this. I feel like my skin looks so good just because it's so tan. I've never been this tan. This fake tan looks exactly like how I would tan naturally. It looks so good. See, now you'll see my face is becoming white when I wipe this off probably. Basically the only time I wear makeup is either A, when I'm filming, or B, from my DJ. I have a clean towel. I have my steaming water. Let's see if this will make a difference. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell my face is getting lighter. This is always my problem area. So here. So that's the start of it, just because I've been very stressed, not getting much sleep, hence, you know, it's almost 1 a.m. right now, and then I have to wake up early. I'm just gonna put a bit of this on now to moisturize, and I'll be going to bed. In Milani's Conceal and Perfect, I am now 06 Sand Beige. Okay, so I'm going to go to bed and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, it is currently Saturday. It's 9:30. I'm done my work for the day. I am just going to be oil cleansing off camera. So that was one of my main concerns, if I was going to break out during it. It'd be clogging up my pores. I'm going to just wipe this off with my steaming water with a clean towel. And then again, like always, I'm just gonna put this on after for my skincare and then just go right to bed. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow. I have these two friends. I'm like, I don't know about this. I think I'm gonna give this oil cleansing one more chance. I'm gonna transition into grapeseed oil because that's a bit less on the comedogenic scale. Grapeseed oil is targeted more towards acne prone skin. So I think I'm gonna try that out for the rest of the week. And then I'm gonna see if I have any softer towels, because I could be aggravating my skin with a towel that's too coarse. So I'm gonna change it up that way. So 1, grapeseed oil, and then 2, I'm gonna try to find a softer towel or face cloth to wipe my face with. I will see you tomorrow. So it is September 26th, Wednesday. So sorry, I missed a couple days. Today is technically supposed to be my check-in, but I feel like I haven't given this a fair shot just because I was using the wrong oil. But I mean, as you can see, these 2 dots, the pimples that were flared up last time you saw, they're pretty much non-existent now, which is awesome. And this side, I mean, it looks worse than it is, but it's actually getting flat ever since I used the grapeseed oil, and I actually changed the towel I'm using. I'll show you the face towel I use in a bit, because the really good quality ones, I managed to find them at Dollarama, which is shocking. It doesn't tug at the skin. You don't even feel it on your skin. But the only issue I have is pretty much I have a couple visible pimples here, like whiteheads, and one right here. Like, I have no cystic acne. I had a couple cystic acne pimples when I was using the avocado oil. Immediately when I started using the grapeseed oil, the next day, like, these 2 pimples were pretty much gone. And I think some props rest could go to the towel as well that I use because it doesn't irritate my skin at all. But yeah, just an update. I think I'm gonna give myself 1 more week to test this out because I feel like 1 week is not enough for this since, again, I only used the grapeseed oil for like 3 days. I will see you tonight when I oil cleanse. I already oil cleansed this morning. I put on sunscreen. My skin is protected. I use the CeraVe SPF 30. I will see you tonight. So I actually managed to find the softest cloths ever. I totally recommend them. I suggest buying multiple 7 towels if you do laundry once a week, 1 towel for every day of the week. If you want to oil cleanse morning and night, then maybe you want to double that, so 14 towels. If the bacteria is going to build up during the day and then when you use it again at night, might not be the cleanest. Or if you do laundry twice a week, then you'll be able to cleanse with a fresh towel every morning and in the evening. I literally got it from Dollarama. It's $1.50 per one. Like, it's as soft as my pet bunny, and that is saying a lot. So it does not tug, it won't rub. They're microfiber. Some microfibers are a bit rougher than others. This is just the very softest one you can get. On top of that, I have transferred my grapeseed oil into a little vial, so I'm more organized now. So I'm just gonna go grab a clean microfiber towel that I already have and just continue doing this off camera. Just get a very soft microfiber silky smooth towel and multiple of them so you have a fresh one for every single wash. B, don't fill your sink or have a bowl of full hot water. Just make sure your sink is running continuously with fresh hot water every single time so then you can wring it out fresh, because if you dip it back into that full sink, it's just gonna build up with dirt and you're just dunking back into the dirt. And then on top of that, C, have it be hot enough where you can put the whole towel, cover it with your face and steam it. Rinse, repeat, steam, wipe it off, rinse, repeat, steam. Do that at least 3 times. If I find them online somehow, I could probably link them down below. The brand is Arm & Hammer, if any of you are curious. I don't leave on any oil afterwards anymore. If you want to use a moisturizer, I use CeraVe PM. Has niacinamide, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. I feel like the minimal product, the better. Adapalene or benzoyl peroxide for spot treatment. I feel like that would be fine. I'll see you tomorrow. So it is currently September 28th, Friday. An update on my skin. My skin is feeling so much better after grapeseed. I can't stress that enough. I just took a shower, so I'm gonna put on makeup right away. It's 6 p.m. I think I've only worn makeup twice this week, so it's pretty good. But my pimples, like, I have no more on my chin. Around my mouth area, in like nose area, I noticed I had pimples before, but now everything's flat. Even like my corners of the mouth. It was so painful, but now it's gone, thank God. Pimples on my cheeks, they're still there. They're flattening slowly. This is the most problematic area, but it's definitely calming down a bit. Ever since I stopped using harsher chemicals on my skin, just strictly oil. This is actually the 2nd time I oil cleansed today, just because I wore so much sunscreen during the day. So I did once in the morning, and then I did once right before I'm about to put makeup on so I can have a fresh, unclogged face. I did laundry just so I can reuse these towels. So then I am able to oil cleanse more than once a day. A fresh cloth is for each time I wash, obviously. So basically they're like this very soft, non-harsh towel. They literally feel like little clouds. That's how soft they are. So I highly recommend these specific type of face cloths. And then if you want to exfoliate once a week, then do that. And then go back to these very gentle cloths because you definitely don't want anything harsh on your skin. These do not feel harsh whatsoever. They don't even feel like they're touching your skin. That's how soft they are. We'll see if my makeup breaks me out or anything. I'll update you tomorrow. Hello, it is now 2:30 a.m. I wore this makeup for about 4 hours, 5, 6. My skin doesn't look like it has too many bumps, so I'm just gonna quickly oil cleanse and go right to bed. You know the drill. We're just gonna see tomorrow how my skin still is, if I broke out because of my makeup. My ears are ringing so much. I just DJ'd, so my makeup held up pretty good. Anyway, I will catch you tomorrow. Peace. So, I woke up this morning and my skin is still very flat. It is September 29th, Saturday. So far, I've had no negative reaction on the oil. Even wearing makeup, it did not break me out. We're just gonna have to see until the final day. I will see you probably around tomorrow. Update on my skin. It still kind of looks the same, but everything feels so good. Like, it's getting flatter and flatter. And I don't know if it may be because since the oil cleansing method gets rid of the dirt and then keeps the good bacteria. But it is October 2nd, Tuesday, so I kind of missed a couple days. Tomorrow's the final check-in. I'm doing a whole load of washcloths right now in the laundry, and I'm like so ready to continue doing this. So yeah, apparently this is working really good for my oily skin. Grapeseed oil is the best oil I tried. I guess I will check in with you tomorrow. The final update. See you. My God, it's snowing. It was like, literally there is not a speck of snow today, and then I look out and all of a sudden it's snowing. Well, it looks like we're gonna have snow in October. Ugh, I'm not looking forward to this. Anyway, this is the final update. Obviously I'm wearing makeup because I want to show you the official way now that I oil cleanse. My skin has been amazing. I probably will keep continuing this forever. I really don't think I'm gonna break out from it, so yeah, I'll just show you how I oil cleanse this thing off, and then I'll be that for this video. It's been a pretty interesting 2 weeks. Hello. So first is the lashes, of course. We already covered the type of towel, getting fresh water all the time out of the tap, and also steaming up the face. This is the order I do it in. Take my grapeseed oil. Take as little or as much as you want. So this is the first round of oil. First of all, I take the whole makeup off first before I steam my face, so then no makeup will seep into the pores if I steam it in there. So hot water. So I take like a corner, and right away I'm just wiping it off just to get that first initial layer. Again, so makeup won't be seeping into my pores if I steam it. I'm ensuring to get literally every single speck off of makeup. The second round of oil, I actually steam my face, whereas the first round I don't. So since we only did one little corner with the towel, we can flip the other side and steam our faces with this clean side. So we're gonna do that now. And now this is where we steam. This is my favorite way now. And so much extra makeup comes off. So that's my absolute favorite way to oil cleanse now. You could go like a couple more times, a few more times even. So what this does is pretty much just opens up the pores and lets everything, all the dirt and gunk seep out with the oil. You could even steam like problem areas, so like my cheeks, like really, really warm water. And then just wipe away. And then the very last thing I do is just rinse my whole face with lukewarm water, just to again ensure everything's off. Okay, and then I just take a clean towel and then just pat dry. You're double, triple, quadruple checking that your face is no longer full of gunk. And then just go on do your normal skincare routine as always. Yeah, that is my skincare routine now. They're so flat, like I'm looking forward to them hopefully going away soon. I've never had a pimple around my mouth ever since I did the grapeseed. But yeah, I think my skin is looking real good. And I guess that's the end of this video. That's how I oil cleanse. Honestly, I highly recommend everyone to do it. I think soon we may be looking forward to a derma video perhaps, if my acne is gone by hopefully next week. We'll see, because I mean, my skin looks pretty good right now. Yeah, there's my skin. Anyway, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.